This says in a factory, there are three processes employed, process A, B, and C, and they have given details regarding that. And in each process, there is a normal loss. What is the normal loss? Normal loss is expected loss. And in process A, there is a 2% of loss on the total input. In process B, there's a 5% loss on total input. And in process C, it is 10%. Further, they say that all these normal wastage, it has a scrap value. So process A and B, scrap value is 20 per 100 units. What does that mean? For every 100 units, you will get a value of 20 rupees. So you will have to work it out accordingly. How will you work out? Find out the scrap. Like in, I believe in the first process, you have how much? If you work out, check how much loss you will get. The input here is 5,000 units. There's a normal loss of 2%. If you calculate 2% on 5,000, it will be 100 units. So there is only 100 units of normal loss in process A. So its value will be, you don't need to calculate anything. They have already given for every 100 units, it is 20 rupees. So don't multiply 100 into 20. It's 20 rupees for that 100 units. Please remember that. And it is for process A and B both. Process A and process B, for every 100 units, it is 20 rupees. And for process C, 50 rupees for the 100 units. Then they have given you the list of expenses. So output by process B account, it's 4,500. So now find out the total. 5,000. Get how much? How 30,000? Sundry materials. That's 30,000. Do we have a difference? How much? 400 on the credit side. So what is it? So this 400 units. This we will consider as abnormal loss. So how do we calculate the value of abnormal loss? Take down the total cost. Total cost minus normal loss value divided by units introduced minus normal loss in units. So it's 30,000 minus 20 divided by check how much you will get. Tell me the final value. 6.12. So 400 into 400 into 6.12 will be 2000. 4.8. Now find out the balancing. Two thousand 448. 27,532. Right? To find out the value which has been transferred, 27,532 divided by 4,500, get 6.12 only. This is the per unit cost. So let's go to process B account. So how much do we transfer? For process B, units introduced here, 4,500. Its value is 27,532. So for this process, we have some additional expenses, starting with sundry materials. It's 8,000. Labor, 4,000. Manufacturing expenses, 3,000. And other overheads, 2,000 rupees. So how much is the normal loss here? Let's see. That's good. So normal loss here. So 4,500 into loss is 5% here. 225 units. Now, how do you calculate the value for this? 225? Find out 225 into 20 by 100. You'll get how much? So it's 45 rupees. What is the output? So we'll transfer this to process C. Output is 4,400. Do we get any abnormal gain here? So find out the total. On the credit side, it is 4,625. So we have 125 more, right? So for this 125, let us use the formula again. Here we will be finding out abnormal gain. Again, take down the total cost plus normal loss in value divided by units introduced minus normal loss units. So total cost, find out the cost up to here. Up to here, find out the cost. Much? 44,536 minus 225, 45. 44,000 minus 45 divided by units introduced was 4,500 minus 225. Find out how much you will get. Find the value. Can you see this better or what I write on the board? No. Tell me the value of the abnormal gain. What? 10.40. Now is it better? I use red out. I will try black. To 10.40. So this 125 into 10.40, 1,300. Now do the total. How much? 44,532 plus 1,300. 40? 45,832. Difference? 45,787. Now this you transfer it to process C. Let's do process C. Is this better? Can you see it? We'll go up. Wait. Process C, transfer from process B. How much did we transfer? 4,400 units at 45,787. So for this, let us introduce sundry materials, 6,000, wages, 3,000, manufacturing expenses, 1,000, other overheads, 500 units. Now, do we have normal loss here also? Normal loss will be 4,400 into 10% will be 440. Now here, the scrap value changes. scrap value, they say 50 rupees per 100 units. So 440. 440 into 50 by 100, you will get how much? 220. So output of this is 3,500. We'll transfer it to finished stock account. 3,500. Do we have any difference? We don't have any difference. No? You had introduced 4,400 units. Now you have 3,000. There's a difference of 460. What is this? This is abnormal loss. So find out its value using the formula and tell me the value. So this 460, will multiply this with 14.16. How much you will get? 6,514. Find out the balancing figure. What happened? Got 15.2. 2. So what's the total here? 56,288. 56,288 minus 220 divided by 440. Sorry, divided by 4,400 minus 440. Now 158 or 1516 is 5. Look. To find out the balancing figure. 561. This you will transfer to finished stock account. Can you do the other process accounts? Sorry, other accounts relating to this? Normal loss. So let us prepare a normal loss account first. There's a difference. $40. $49,550. So prepare a normal loss account. Yes. Work it. Correct. This for account sheets. You had normal losses in all the 3 accounts. So how much was the normal loss? Normal loss I'm talking about. Normal loss is there in all the 3 accounts. Isn't it? So write down by, 2. Process A is how much? Its value is 20. Then process B is 225, 45. Process C, 440, its value is 220. Now we will encash it, cash realized. You can write down by cash. First, process A. Process A, 100 units, you will get 20 rupees. Process B, when you write down, you have 225 as normal loss, but there is a normal gain in process B. How much is normal gain? Deduct that 125. So only 100 units. So it will be 20 rupees. Process C, 440, 220 rupees. And that abnormal gain which you have got, transfer it to abnormal gain account. It will be 125 into 20 by 100 unit. You get 25 and then close the account.
Afternoon, everyone. We are talking about
So this actually is up into the pudding you setting it up on the extra figure. So we have the 10 number of seats. So I wish everyone the times with last movie and celebrate their art. So I thought anyone know what is the movie about, right? You know, I'm into a dialogue. Yeah.
we got one.
6514. These abnormal losses we will have to realize. Write down by cash. Process A, 440 is 440 into 20 by 100.
Yes.
You get 88. And process C, 460. So 460 into 50 by 100. 230. Now close the account. It's 900. Nine hundred. How much? 965. Difference? Find out the difference. Effect. Now find out the difference. Difference you find out. Balancing figure 8652. This will go to costing P&L account. Then there's abnormal gain account. Where did we have abnormal gain? Process P. How much was the abnormal gain? 125 MB. What was its value? 1301. Now, in normal loss account, you have transferred 125 units to abnormal gain account. So write down here 2 normal loss account, 125. At what value have you transferred? 400. Make it 80. Change it. So abnormal gain, you get 25 rupees. Close the account. Find out the difference. How much? 1276. This will go to costing P&L account. After this, prepare a finish stock account. Please prepare it. To process C. How much did you transfer from process C? What was your final output? 3,500 units at what price? 49,561. This write down as by cost of production. 30. So 3,500. 49,561. Close the account. Please check your answers. All of you got the same answers?